What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best drone for kids on the market. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Oh, and by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Do check it out. Up first is our pick for best overall, and that goes to the Potensic A20. Small and robust, this drone is not incredibly unique. Still, thanks to the inbuilt pressure sensor, are capable of flying without the operator's help and flying utilizing the pilot-friendly headless mode. With excellent features such as one-button landing and takeoff, the Potensic A20 drone is an ideal option for beginners and experienced handlers alike. If you want to learn flying drones, this is your final option from your novice to an expert. Also, it is an excellent option to purchase as a gift for your little loved ones who enjoy flying drones. The transmission range between the drone and controller is more than 30 meters. When any further away from the pilot, the A20 becomes challenging to fly, purely because of its small size. While flight time is advertised at 10 to 13 minutes, we never got more than 9 minutes out of a completely charged battery in testing. The Potensic A20 is a great pleasure to fly and can manage the odd bump off a wall while still staying airborne. Headless flying mode and a scaled-down, easy-to-use controller make it a perfect toy for younger kids. Its main weakness is its unsuitability to being flown outdoors. Do so at your risk, as the merest breath of wind is likely to see it forever perched in the nearest tall tree, or worse. Up next is our pick for best splurge, and that goes to the DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, strictly addressing, DJI Mavic Mini isn't a toy, though some don't know the regulations who think lightweight and toy are interchangeable terms. It is a small drone that gives professional quality results with no restrictions. Weighing in at under 9 ounces, the Mavic Mini's weight class is both lower and more reliable than many other drones, which might exempt it from specific regulations. This freedom of flight is combined with the stabilized 3-axis gimbal and advanced flight modes, which can achieve up to 12 MP pictures, 2.7K Quad HD videos, and complex cinematic shots with just a touch in the DJI Fly app. Another benefit of the Mavic Mini's size is that it can linger in the air longer. The mini drone stars up to 30 minutes of flight time on a complete battery charge. The included controller is intended to work with the select Android and iOS smartphones, allowing you to efficiently fly the drone while maintaining a low-latency HD video feed from the gimbal from up to 2.5 miles away. To help you get started, DJI incorporates a flight tutorial in the DJI Fly app, making the Mavic Mini a perfect drone solution for novices to professionals alike. Up next is our pick for best safety, and that goes to the Holystone HS330. Taking a mix of motivation from the Pro brands and the other toys, this drone gives the almost demanded 3D flips and headless mode. But recognition to the addition of 5 sensors can also be influenced by wafting a hand near the hovering drone. It'll immediately back off. This also has an obvious security bonus, though it should also be noted that the propeller guards are more trustworthy than on many drones in this list. Our first impression was how smooth the design looked. It comes with a jet white coating on the body, with bright blue on the sides. The propellers are guarded by guards that present the drone's resilience edge over its competitors. Believe it or not, the Holystone HS330 drone is crammed with features, and some of these are actually quite brilliant. Beginners and kids who are in search of a smart toy drone to keep themselves busy will like to have their hands on this drone for a number of reasons. All 4 propellers are encased with complete propeller guards. It's designed to improve the drone's durability and protect your kids from injuries. It comes with 3 batteries, which provide up to 5 to 7 minutes of flight each time. It's the ideal indoor toy drone for birthday parties, classroom games, and even family gatherings. Up next is our pick for best beginner, and that goes to the Dodo Elef Syma X20. The X20 Pocket Quadcopter from Syma is a pocket-sized drone that includes features such as one-key takeoff landing, auto-hover function, 360-degree flip, and more. The drone is powered via a rechargeable 180 mAh Li-ion battery that yields up to 5 minutes of flight time. The 2.4 GHz remote controller is powered using 4 AA batteries. It supports the auto-hovering feature, which is an altitude-holding technology that lets the flying drone stabilize and suspend in midair automatically, even when you let go of the controls. It's a 6-axis gyro quad rotorcraft flight with strong stability that can quickly implement various flight movements, stronger wind resistance, and easier to control. This quadcopter is equipped with one key taking off and landing, which makes the drone easier to fly and better to control for any level of players. Last on our list is our pick for best educational, and that goes to the RiseTech Tello. If you or your kid are in search of a simple way to learn the ropes, this cheap flying drone model is an excellent place to start. The Rise Tello is economical, reliable to use, and easy to fly. It's stable enough for newbies, with ample power to fly outside, though not in high winds, and gives a handful of pre-programmed flight patterns and up to 13 minutes of flight time per charge. It doesn't come with a dedicated controller or an especially great camera, but it's good enough to shoot 720p video and 5-megapixel photos. Its Intel processor enables it to perform exciting aerial tricks on a whim, all through smartphone control. Download the free Tello app and get going. With intuitive controls for entertaining flying maneuvers, the included battery will power up to 13 minutes of flight on a full charge. Its vision positioning system uses a downward-facing camera to ensure stable hovering when desired. Plus, it can transmit 720p video or 5MP photos back to your smartphone from up to 330 feet away using its dual antenna array.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.